Because when you look good, baby, you feel good. Oh, and don't mind me. I'm just getting ready for New Year's Eve. Let me show y'all how y'all can look good too. Wiggins, you've done it again, but this time it's even better. Do y'all see this hair? I am obsessed with this look. I'm about to give you guys all the details on how you can also achieve this look. If you love what you see, keep watching and stay tuned. Thank you so much, Wiggins, for sponsoring this video. I cannot wait to unbox this with y'all, so let's see what we got. Orange is the new black, okay? I'm loving how they have this packaged. This is my favorite, so let's open it up and see what we got. Perfectly placed on top is the wig, baby, but wait, let's see what kind of goodies we get first. Here's what's going to come in your box: a scrunchie for your hair, a bonnet because, baby, we gotta protect our hair when we install it. You can't go wrong with the HD wig cap. You're always gonna need this to have a flawless install. A wig band, you gotta make sure them edges is laid at all times, honey. Yes, definitely need that. An edge brush, you're gonna need this to make sure those edges are intact and make sure you got the curls going for the girls. Last but not least, a dust bag to store your wig. Now, let's get into the star of the show. Wiggins sent over a 24-inch number 4 dark brown body wave wig, 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, 250 density, in a medium-sized cap, okay? I just laid it all out for you guys, but I'm also going to put it on the screen so that you know exactly what to get, and I am obsessed. Quality of this wig already exudes through the video, so you already know that it's gonna slap. Once I put it on, baby, it's just gonna be looking how it needs to be looking. So stay tuned, please stay tuned. But I want to show y'all this important piece. Do y'all see that HD lace? Do you see how transparent that looks? So we're gonna pause the voiceover right here because I just want to show y'all this wig. So first and foremost, do y'all notice this? It's already curled. Like, I'm just in awe. This wig looks so good, and it is in this brown color. I would say like this is like a color 4. My real hair is jet black, so this is what this color looks like against my hair, y'all. And I think this color is beautiful, especially for that fall, winter vibe. This is the go-to color, y'all, and I am obsessed. So let me show y'all the inside of the cap. The inside, like, do y'all see that? And the best part about this is already bleached. Yes, so I don't even have to, I'm thinking, let me show y'all how serious this is about to get. I thought I was about to have to bleach my knots. It's already bleached. Do y'all know how much of a game changer that is? So yeah, all I gotta say is, Wiggins, y'all got one with this. Wiggins, y'all have something with this. This is the one, like, this is so beautiful, y'all. Like, I just cannot wait to install this. So, without further ado, y'all, let's get to it. About to be so cute on New Year's Eve. So I thought I'd get up close and personal here because I kind of want you guys to really see what you're getting. So luster and density are the two main things that are important to me when I am looking for wigs. Y'all know your girl is a wig connoisseur. I wear wigs probably 85% of the year. So with that being said, I know what a good one looks like, and this is a good one, y'all. This is a really good one. What I love the most, again, HD lace. I mean, just look at how full it is. I definitely, when I'm going for longer lengths, this one is a 24-inch. I always go for lengths that have that 250 density. You just want your hair to be full, and you have to think about how long it lasts, how long wigs last. The more density you get, the longer you can wear it. You don't have to worry about your wig balding, things of that sort. And then just look at how it blends. It blends so good. I just can't wait to install this. So now that you have all the details, let's jump right into it. I'm using the HD cap that came in the box, and I'm going to go in with my makeup because I want that to blend really, really good here. Next, I'm going in and adjusting my wig. What I love about this wig is it can be worn glueless, and I'm going to show you guys the inside of the cap here so that you can actually see. So, I mean, this right here, honestly, is a 10 out of 10. It has two bands. It has one at the bottom, and then it has one that goes around the perimeter of your head. That lets me know that this wig can be worn glueless, or you can glue it down. Now, I like my wigs to stay on. I know I'm going out for New Year's Eve, and I'm probably not taking this wig off for 2 weeks. So I went ahead and I will be gluing this down. So I just kind of wanted to show y'all what it looks like on, and it's so seamless, y'all, and it's already perfect. So I'm going to go in with some glue here, and I'm just going to go ahead and adhere that all the way over. I'm going to wait about 7 minutes for all of the glue to dry up. Here's a close-up on how that looks already. And then I'm gonna adhere my wig down and in place, y'all. Speeding it up just a little bit because it takes a while to get down. And now I'm gonna use my wig band that Wiggins provided me to secure and lock in that lace. You want the lace to be missing, honey. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with some scissors, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my lace. Remember, ladies, you always want to cut jaggedly here so that it doesn't look like a straight, just perfect lace cut. You want to make sure you cut jagged. Look how it's looking already, y'all. It already looks so good. Now I'm going to go in again with my makeup, and I'm just going to go around the lace just to ensure it is blended. Here's the final look, guys. Do y'all see that? Can you even see the lace? Look how that brown color looks on my skin. Like, it just looks amazing. I'm combing the ends because y'all know with curly hair, it starts to get a little bit fuzzed out. So I'm just combing it so you guys can see, but the comb is going straight through the hair, and y'all, this is beautiful. Do y'all see that? Wow. I mean, and look how full it is. Look how full my hair is, y'all. I mean, don't walk, run to go get this wig. Like, just look at it. Where's the lace, honey? Where is it? But no, seriously, y'all, I am obsessed. I'm obsessed. This looks so amazing. I love this. Now I'm going to go in and show you guys a side part. I just want to show y'all the parting on this wig. You literally don't have to do any plucking. I mean, the wig literally came like this, y'all. Y'all saw it. It came like this. I took my hot comb because I wanted to place it in place, and I'm just going to push the hair over. This was so easy. The easiest install I've ever done in my life. Wiggins, I appreciate you all for making this wig. It was such a seamless process, and I'm so glad I'm able to share it with my supporters. I just pulled me out a little bit of baby hair. I'm not into baby hairs, but I was like, you know what, for this look, let's pull them out. And y'all, this is the final look. Just look at that. Look at those waves. The body wave times the curls. I mean, it's just a 10 out of 10. I look so pretty with this color. The brown skin girls with the brown hair, it is a look, okay? So, yeah, I'm turned. Oh, God, this is how you know I was obsessed, y'all, because I started dancing. If you like this look, don't walk, run, and all of the links are in my description box. And I hope you guys love this wig just as much as I do. Wiggins, thank you again.